Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Robinhood account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your security options. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security section within the account settings. Tap on it to access the security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Toggle this switch to enable it. You may be prompted to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you have enabled two-factor authentication, your account will be more secure. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid any issues when logging in.